In an interview, once Elon Musk said, "It's our choice to be ordinary or extraordinary." I think it's possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. Why are there too many ordinary people but very few are great? And what are the differences between a normal person and an extraordinary person? Why people think that it is so hard to be an extraordinary person? Let me tell you the answer. It's all about our priorities. It's all about our habits. It's all about our mentality and way of thinking. As said, it's possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. You can be extraordinary. In this world, everyone have 24 hours in a day, but it depends on us that how we spend these hours. Remember, time is wealth. And for now, if you have nothing today, then time and your mind, these are your biggest assets. Utilize your time and make your every second productive. One of the things that is so important for an amazing life is our habits. We are always told to have good habits like waking up early, not wasting our time, be grateful to God, be generous to everyone, etc. Always remember, good habits leads to a good and productive life. A very important point is our way of thinking. Our way of thinking makes us ordinary or extraordinary. People can have same mind, but they can't have same mindset. Everyone thinks in his own way. Everyone uses his own principles. The thing is, our principles should be unique and different. They should be different from ordinary people. You will have to build that level of thinking where people are divided into these categories like ordinary or extraordinary. And there is no other way to improve yourself than practicing. No one is perfect by birth, but one who wants to be perfect, by regular practice, he becomes. One thing that every great person do is that he always believe in himself. No matter how best or worst situations are, but he believed in himself. Keeping a strong faith on yourself make you more strong and give you a kind of energy to keep going towards your goals and fulfill your dreams. One other thing that great people do is that they never give up. They never give up on their goals, their dreams. They don't fear failure. Instead, they learn from failures and use those lessons when they start working on their goals again. We should also learn from failures and use those lessons in our upcoming life so we make sure that we won't make those mistakes again. Now I'm going to tell you a story about how failures can be taken in a positive way. I guess you all have heard the name of Edison, Thomas Alva Edison, one who invented the electric bulb. He is one of the greatest inventors and he was a great businessman too. But before successfully making an electric bulb, he had faced so many problems and challenges. But he was that kind of a man who had never learned to give up. He was too rigid and there was a huge dedication in his work. He made several mistakes, but he never thought to quit. He had a belief, and that belief was so strong that even he himself could not break it. Until he finally made an electric bulb, he had faced failures 10,000 times. And believe me, this level of dedication can never be seen in an ordinary man. But here is the point. On one half, he would be disappointed that my every effort is failing. But on other side, he was happy because he was knowing that by which process he can't make an electric bulb. He found 10,000 ways that were not applicable in making a bulb. Then there was one way to make it. I know most of you would have heard this story before, but for now, just focus on the moral of the story. Failures are not bad, you just have to think positive and be positive. You just have to change your mindset. The way of your thinking makes things good or bad. Always remember, greatness asks some sacrifices. So, in order to become great, everybody has to sacrifice something. Something which is not more important than your success. Food, sleep, exercise, these are our basic needs. But if we talk about partying, roaming around here and there, well, that is not so necessary. You can use your party time in learning something new, and a weekend are a gift for the sophisticated people. A sophisticated person never wastes his weekend. He utilizes it. He utilizes it in learning something. So, these are some important principles which can make a great impact on our way of living. You can also be an extraordinary person. But being extraordinary doesn't mean to be famous. There are millions of people who are doing great things, but they have a very small recognition. But they are still great. They are still different from an ordinary man. They believe in themselves. You should also feel like an extraordinary man or woman. And surely one day you will be the greatest. Share this audio if you found it valuable. I, Himanshu Kumar, host of this channel, hope your success and wish you all the very best for your upcoming future.